Friends, welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to do another chapter. It says the area enclosed by the curves y is equal to sin x plus cos x and y is equal to mod of cos x minus sin x. And the lines x equal to 0 and x is equal to pi by 2. So if we talk about the area which they are talking about, so we have sin x plus cos x, which is greater than mod of cos x minus sin x, or equal to for x belonging to 0 comma pi by 2. This we can notice because in 0 to pi by 2 sin x is also positive, cos x is also positive as it is the first quadrant. And since we are adding two positive and here we are subtracting two positive, so the addition of two positive numbers will be greater than or equal to subtraction of two positive numbers. And some case, at extreme case, it may become equal also, but it will never be less than mod of cos x minus sin x. Now the graph of sin x and cos x, which we know, this is the graph of sin x from 0 to pi by 2. And if we draw the graph of cos x, so the graph of cos x is like this, and they meet at pi by 4. So this is sin x, this is cos x. So if we want to integrate from 0 to pi by 2, as it is given, the x equal to 0 to pi by 2. So we say that sin x plus cos x is the upper curve and mod of cos x minus sin x is the lower curve. And integral of this one from 0 to pi by 2, that is what we need basically. So we will write it as 0 to pi by 4, and from 0 to pi by 4 cos x is greater than sin x. So this mod will become positive. So cos x minus sin x will be the positive term between 0 to pi by 4. So we will write it as sin x plus cos x minus this cos x minus sin x. And integral of this plus pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now between pi by 4 to pi by 2, sin x is greater than cos x. So this will become, after taking mod, sin x minus cos x after opening the mod. So this will become sin x plus cos x minus sin x minus cos x integral. Okay. Now if we further calculate, this is equal to, here cos x cancels and it becomes 2 times of sin x from 0 to pi by 4. Here sin x cancels and it becomes 2 times of cos x from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Now what is the integral of sin x minus cos x? This will be minus 2 cos x 0 to pi by 4 and plus 2. What is the integral of cos x? Sin x. So sin x pi by 4 to pi by 2. So this becomes minus 2 and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus cos 0, which is 1. And then we have plus 2 sin pi by 2 is 1 minus sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So what it becomes? Minus root 2 plus 2 plus 2 minus root 2 after opening the bracket and simplifying. So it becomes 4 minus 2 root 2. So if we see the options, 4 minus 2 root 2, that can be written like this: 2 root 2 minus 1, if we take 2 root 2 common. So this is 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 1. This is option A. So we'll say that our answer is option A. Okay, fine. Let us move on to the next question. We will discuss about the resources also which are available at Careers 360 website, and you can get benefit from there also, but after this question. Next question we are discussing. So यहाँ पे क्या है? If the line y is equal to mx bisects the area enclosed by the lines x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, x is equal to 3 by 2, and the curve y equal to 1 plus 4x minus x square, then 12m is equal to. ठीक है, तो इसमें सबसे पहले हम एक काम ये कर देते हैं. ये कर्व जो हमारे पास है y इज इक्वल टू 1 प्लस 4x माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 1. इसको ड्रॉ करते हैं. तो जो वर्टेक्स आएगा, दिस इज अ डाउनवर्ड ओपनिंग पैराबोला. इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस 4ay. So this is a downward opening parabola, but it is shifted. So vertex is minus b by 2a comma minus d by 4a. As we know, in a quadratic expression, minus b by 2a is minus 4 by minus 2 it will become, and minus d by 4a is b square, that is 16 minus 4ac, that will be 20. It will be 20. 4a will be minus 4. So this becomes 2 comma 5. So this is the vertex of this parabola. This is 2, this is 5, this is the vertex. And we can also see whether 0 comma 0 is lying inside it or outside it, because when we put x equal to 2 comma 0, so what happens? For x is equal to 2, y is coming, and y is equal to 0. This expression basically, y plus x square minus 4x minus 1. This will become, when you put y equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So it will become 4 minus 8. This will be negative for 2 comma 0. So if we further check it for 0 comma 0, what happens? 0, 0 minus 1. Still it is negative. So that means that origin is lying inside this parabola. So the curve is like this. Now there is interval x equal to 0, y equal to 0. That means it is the first quadrant, and x equal to 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 will be somewhere here before the vertex, before the maximum point. And there is a line y equal to mx, which we can draw like this. It is passing through the origin like this, y is equal to mx, such that it is bisecting the area. So the two areas, let me show you the two areas. One area is this one, this area, and another area is this one. So it says that these two areas are equal. This line is bisecting this. So in that case, what is the value of m? And then final answer is 12m. That is they are asking. So what we can do, we can say that suppose this area which is in blue is A1. This is area A1. And this is in green is area A2. Let us call it as area A2. Let me write it more clearly. This is area A2. So A1 is equal to A2. If we say A1 is equal to A2, then we can also say that A2 is equal to half of A2 twice A2, which is half of twice A2 can be written as A1 plus A2, right? Because A1 and A2 are equal. So A2 can be written as half of A1 plus A2. Now we find A2 first. That is simple here to find out. So if we find A2, A2 will be integral 0 to 3 by 2 and y is mx. So this will simply become m x square by 2, 0 to 3 by 2, which will become m 9 by 8, 9m by 8 it will become. Another term will be 0. A1 plus A2 will be equal to integral 0 to 3 by 2 and this curve is minus x square plus 4x plus 1 dx. So it will become minus x cubed by 3 plus 4x square by 2 will become 2x square and then plus x, 0 to 3 by 2. So this is equal to, when we put x as 3 by 2, it will become 27 by 8 minus 27 by 8 by 3. That will become minus 9 by 8. So this first term will be minus 9 by 8. Next one will be 9 by 2. And next to that will be 3 by 2. This is what we are getting. Another is 0, 0, 0. So it will become 8 LCM minus 9. And then this will become 36. And then this will become 12. So it will be 48 minus 9. 48 minus 9 will be 39. So this will be 39 by 8. Now this is A1 plus A2. And we know here that A2 is half of A1 plus A2. A2 is half of A1 plus A2. So A2 was, which we got here, 9m by 8. A2 was 9m by 8. And this is half of A1 plus A2 is 39 by 8. Okay. So this will give you 8 cancelled, and this will become m is equal to 39 by 2 into 9. This will be cancelled by 3. So it will become 13 by 6. So m is equal to 13 by 6. Now what they are asking is 12m. So this means 12m is equal to 26. So this will be your answer. 26 is the value of 12m, as m is equal to 13 by 6. Okay. Now, before proceeding to the next question, let us discuss something about the resources. So, as you can see here, there are ebooks available on the website of Careers 360, as well as sample papers. तो इन ई बुक्स और सैंपल पेपर्स को आप डाउनलोड करके काफी कुछ अच्छी तैयारी कर सकते हो जेई के लिए। जैसे जेई मेन 2025 चैप्टर वाइज वेटेज की एक पीडीएफ है। इसमें हर चैप्टर की वेटेज जो जेई मेन में है उसके बारे में ब्रॉडली डिस्कस किया गया है, जिससे हम अपनी फोकस तैयारी कर सकें। दूसरा है जेई मेन एग्जाम्स हाई स्कोरिंग चैप्टर्स एंड टॉपिक्स। तो जो हाई स्कोरिंग चैप्टर्स एंड टॉपिक्स होते हैं इन एनी सब्जेक्ट, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स, उनका एक कलेक्शन है, एंड it is saying that you can score up to 100% marks by studying 40% syllabus. So it is very, very important ebook which will help you to do a target study. Then we have some more ebooks like JEE Main 2025 Maths syllabus, and these all links are available in the description. JEE Main 2025 chapter wise weightage we have already discussed. JEE Main exams high scoring topics, that also we discussed in the previous slide. JEE Main previous 10-year questions with solutions. So there are lots of questions with their solutions of the last 10 years of the JEE Mains exam, which is available through this link. और इसको करने के बाद you will benefit a lot. इसके बाद है JEE Main important formula. तो JEE Main important formula में हमें हर चैप्टर का, हर सब्जेक्ट के हर चैप्टर का एक जगह सारा फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा, जिसको हम एंड टाइम पे रिवाइज करने के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। एक बार याद करने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं, रिवाइज करने के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हैं। तो सारा कलेक्शन एक जगह है। सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू शो यू। नाउ लेट अस कंटिन्यू विथ अवर डिस्कशन ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। तो ये हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है। The area of the region bounded by the parabola y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1. The tangent to it at the point whose ordinate is 3 and the x-axis is. Okay. So basically, this is a right opening parabola and its vertex is 1, 2. So we can say that this is its vertex and this is a right opening parabola. Where it is intersecting the x-axis, we can see if we put here y equal to 0, we will get x as 4 plus 1, 5. So 5, comma 0 is this point. And there is a point whose ordinate is 3. So if ordinate is 3, that is y coordinate is 3. So it will become 1 plus 1, x will be 2. So somewhere here, maybe this point 2, comma 3 is there, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, where we are drawing a tangent. So there is a tangent drawn at this point, 2, comma 3. And this tangent is intersecting the x-axis. So they are asking the tangent and the parabola and the x-axis. What is the area enclosed by them? So this would be the area which they are asking. So here let us take uh, horizontal strips. Okay. So when we'll put the limit, we'll put the limit of y, not the limit of x. And we will express x in terms of y. So first let us find the equation of tangent. So if you differentiate y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1, on differentiating, you will get 2y minus 2 into y dash is equal to 1, which means y dash is equal to 1 by 2 y minus 2. The slope at the point 2, comma 3, at the point 2, comma 3, the slope is y is 3 minus 2, 1. So it will be 1 by 2. Okay. So what will be the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent will become y minus 3 is equal to slope half into x minus 2. So this is the tangent. You can simplify it like this, that it is 2y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2, or you can write it as x is equal to 2y minus 4. So this is the equation of the tangent. I'm expressing x in terms of y. And this parabola is y minus 2 whole square in is equal to x minus 1. This is the parabola. So here we will say that x is equal to y minus 2 whole square plus 1. So this will be x in this case. Now this shaded region will be from y 0 to 3. Right curve is that of parabola. That is y minus 2 whole square plus 1. Minus left curve, that is of tangent, 2y minus 4 dy. So what we get here is this is 0 to 3. You can open this square, it will become y square here. And what else we are getting? Minus 4y. And here minus 2y is there, so it will become minus 6y. And then plus 4 and then plus 1. That will be 5, and 5 plus 4, 9 dy. So we integrate this. This is y cubed by 3 minus 6y square by 2 plus 9y from 0 to 3. This is 2, 3, 6. So when we put 3 here, it will become 9. After 1, 3 will get cancelled. Here, if we put 3, it will become 27. And here, when we put 3, it becomes 27. So what we are getting? 9 square units. So what is the answer of this? Let us see. Option A. That is A option is the answer. Yeah, correct. So this case was a case where we have to take horizontal strips. But in previous questions, which we were taking vertical strips. अब हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो ये है. सो इट इज सेइंग कि उस सेट के एक्स वाई पॉइंट्स हमें लेने हैं जहां की 3x² 4y से लेस देन इक्वल टू है एंड 4y जो है वो लेस देन इक्वल टू 6x + 24 है. ठीक है. तो x² इज इक्वल टू 4y का जो ग्राफ होता है वो एक अपवर्ड ओपनिंग पैराबोल होता है. दिस इज 3x² इज इक्वल टू 4y. इट्स वर्टेक्स इज ओरिजिन. और ये जो लाइन है अगर इसको हम इक्वलिटी में चेंज करेंगे तो 4y 6x -4y +24 is equal to 0. 6x -4y +24 equal to 0. This will become 3x -2y +12 equal to 0. तो इसमें x को अगर हम 0 पुट करते हैं तो y की वैल्यू आएगी 6, 0,6. और अगर हम y को 0 पुट करते हैं तो x की वैल्यू आएगी -4, सो -4,0. उस केस में अगर हम इन दोनों पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये इस पैराबोला को कहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगा. -4,0 आई एम टेकिंग हियर. This is -4,0 and this point is 0,6. So this is where it will intersect. अब ये कह रहा है कि इन दोनों के बीच का जो रीजन है वो हमें निकालना है क्योंकि हमें एक तो 3x² लेस देन इक्वल टू 4y लेना है. तो अगर हम उसमें पुट कर देते हैं सपोज कोई भी पॉइंट, सपोज पुट कर देते हैं 3,0, तो क्या होगा. 3,0 अगर हम पुट करेंगे तो x हो जाएगा यहां पर 27. ठीक है, 27 हो जाएगा और y हो जाएगा इधर 0. तो जो 27 है क्या वो 0 से छोटा होता है? नहीं होता है. तो इसका मतलब जो पैराबोला के बाहर का रीजन है वो हम नहीं ले रहे हैं. हम इस पैराबोला के अंदर का रीजन ले रहे हैं क्योंकि हमने बाहर से एक रैंडम पॉइंट उठाया 3,0 और उसको इस इक्वालिटी में चेक किया, ये जो पैराबोला की इनइक्वालिटी है, तो पाया कि इट इज नॉट ट्रू. दिस इनइक्वालिटी इज नॉट ट्रू. सो हमें ये वाला रीजन नहीं लेना है, अंदर वाला रीजन लेना है. दूसरा हम 0,0 ले लेते हैं और वो इस इनइक्वालिटी में पुट करते हैं. तो ये जो टर्म आएगा वो आ जाएगा 24 विच इज पॉजिटिव. ठीक है. और अगर हम ठीक है 0,0 आ गया. अब अगर हम इस 0 को यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं तो 0 इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 0 + 24 इज ट्रू स्टेटमेंट. तो इसका मतलब है कि इस लाइन के नीचे वाला रीजन लेना है, इस पैराबोला के अंदर वाला और इस लाइन के नीचे वाला. तो इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है कि जो रीजन हमें लेना है वो रीजन है ये वाला रीजन. तो इसको वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप लेके कर लेंगे हम लोग. तो ये क्या होगा, एरिया इज इक्वल टू एक्स है. जब पहली बार इंटरसेक्ट करेगा तो कहां पे करेगा उसको चेक करने के लिए हम दोनों को सॉल्व करेंगे. तो 3x² इज इक्वल टू 4y. 3x² इज इक्वल टू 4y और 3x -2y +12 इज इक्वल टू 0. इन दोनों को अगर सॉल्व करते हैं तो y की जगह हम पुट कर सकते हैं, दिस इज 3x माइनस 2, वाई की जगह 3x² by 4 डाल देते हैं, प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 0. सो वी आर सॉल्विंग दीज टू इक्वेशंस. तो यहां से क्या मिलेगा, 3x-3/2x² प्लस 12 इक्वल टू 0, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं, एलसीएम ले लेते हैं और सबको राइट साइड में ले जाते हैं. तो 3x² आएगा, 3x² और यह आ जाएगा -6x, और यह आ जाएगा -24 इक्वल टू 0. अब इसको 3x² -6x -24 इक्वल टू 0 को जरा सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. तो 3 कॉमन आ रहा है, तो x² -2x -8 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसका अगर हम मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिटिंग करेंगे तो x² -6x प्लस 4x -8 इक्वल टू 0 लिख सकते हैं. इससे हमें मिलेगा x -6x टर्म और x प्लस 4 दूसरा टर्म. तो नहीं, x -6 और x प्लस 1 सेकेंड, दिस इज -6x प्लस 4x -8. So x into x -6. Okay, 1 second. This is fine. Then we have got x² -2x plus 8. Oh, so the middle term splitting which I have done is not correct. It will be not 6x and 4x. It will be 4x and 2x. Then only 4 into 2 is 8. So it will become x -4 into x plus 2. So what are the coordinates of x? -2 and 4. So similarly, y coordinate if we will find. So for -2, this will give you y. If we solve this, for x is equal to -2. So it will become -6 plus 12, 6. To y is equal to 6, y is equal to 3. So this is 3. And when x is equal to 4, so it will become 12 plus 12, 24 is equal to 2y. So y will be equal to 12. So one point is -2, 3. This point here is -2, 3. And another point of intersection is 4, 12. So this another point is 4, 12. This one. 3, 0 we take randomly. So we can take it here also. 3, 0 will be suppose here, because this is 4, 2. So now we have to integrate the equation of the line. Equation of the line will come out to be in terms of y if you will write it. So it will be 3x plus 12 by 2. 3x plus 12 by 2 minus parabola y will be 3x² by 4 dx. And the interval is x equal to -2 to x equal to 4. Fine. So now let us solve it. So 3x by 2 will give you 3x² by 4 it will become, because x dx will be x² by 2. And this is 12 by 2, 6x minus, this will become -3 x cube by 3 into 4. So 3 will cancel, x cube by 4 will be there. And the interval is -2 to 4. Now when we put 4 here, what we get? 3 into 16 by 4, that will be 4, 3, 12. And 4 here will give you 64, 24. and minus 4 here will give you 16 because 64 by 4 is 16, minus 2 here will give you 3, minus 2 here give you minus 12, and minus 2 here will give you plus 2. So what we are getting? 12 plus 24 minus 16, this will become 36 minus 16, 20. And here 3 plus 2, 5. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. So this comes out to be 20 plus 7, which is 27 square unit. So let us see options. Okay, option is not given. Let me confirm the answer. Yeah, answer is correct. It is 27 square unit. Now let us come to the next question. So let A and B respectively be the points of local maximum and local minimum of the function fx equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x. So for local maximum and local minimum, we have to differentiate it. And further it is saying if A is the total area of the region bounded by y equal to fx, the x-axis and the lines x equal to A and x equal to B, then 4A is equal to. So what we do here, we differentiate it and we get 6x square minus 6x minus 12. We equate it to 0. So we get x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. This will give you x minus 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 comma minus 1. Now if we differentiate this again, f double dash x, so it will be 12x minus 6. If we find f double dash 2, it will become 24 minus 6, that is 18, which is positive. And f double dash minus 1 is equal to minus 12 minus 6 minus 18, which is negative. So what it means is that 2 is the point of minima and minus 1 is the point of maxima. So x equal to 2, point of 2, for 2 what we were getting positive. So it is point of minima. And x equal to minus 1 is the point of local maxima. So we can have an idea of the curve also. The curve is a cubic expression. So which type of curve it will form? It will be something like this. First, there will be a point of maxima, that is x equal to minus 1. And then a point of minima. Then it will go like this. So this is minus 1 and this is 2. Minus 1 is the point of maxima, 2 is the point of minima. Where is it intersecting x-axis between minus 1 and 2? So we can see here that fx is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x. So this can be written as x into 2x square minus 3x minus 12. So there is a solution of this equal to 0, which is x equal to 0. This is one solution. And it is between minus 1 and 2. So this point is 0. So other points we need not find because where it is intersecting the x-axis, because we have to find the area between A and B. A is the point of local maxima, and B is the point of local minima. So we need to find the area, this area and this area. So when we'll take fx, we will take it like this, that the area is, this is the function 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x. 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x. It is between -1 to 0. And the other part is below the x-axis. So if you want it to be positive, because the algebraic area will be negative, so you have to take negative of this. So what you will do, minus 0 to 2, and this is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x, 2x cube minus 3x square minus 12x. Now we integrate it. So 2x cube will give you x to the power 4 by 2 finally. And this will give you minus x cube. And this will give you minus 12x square by 2, that is 6x square. Minus 1 to 0. Minus, this will become 2x to the power 4 by 4. So x to the power 4 by 2. Minus x cube. Minus 12x square by 2, that is 6x square. This is 0 to 2. We put the values. We put upper limit 0, it will become 0. And then we put the lower limit. So 0 minus 1 by 2. And minus 1 cube will be minus 1. So it will become plus 1 here. And then minus 6. The other part is minus. This is after putting 2, 16 by 2, that will be 8. And then 2 cube is also 8. So minus 8. And this will become 24, minus 24. Another term will be 0 after putting. So this becomes minus 5 plus half. So minus 9 by 2. Overall, it will become plus 9 by 2. The another one, 8 cancels. It becomes plus 24. So what we are getting? 24 into 2, 48 plus 9. 48 plus 9 will become 57. So it is coming out to be 57 by 2. And they are asking 4a. So this is a. 4a will be 57 into 2, that is 114. So let us check the answer. Yeah, answer is correct. So you can say that this is your answer. Now, before proceeding further, one thing I would like to again share with you. So this is about the feedback form. Careers 360 wants feedback from you students. ये गूगल फॉर्म है जिसका लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है. इस गूगल फॉर्म में अपना फीडबैक देना है about the lecture content, everything which you have accessed from Careers 360, जिससे हमें इम्प्रूव करने का भी चांस मिलेगा और हमें अपने बारे में व्यूज भी पता चलेंगी, हाउ वी आर डूइंग विद स्टूडेंट्स. तो ये फीडबैक फॉर्म आप जरूर भर देना. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So this is our next question, right? What it says? It says that gx is equal to integral 0 to x ft dt. Okay, where f is continuous function in 0, 3, such that ft is between 1 by 3 and 1 for t belonging to 0, 1, and ft is between 0 and half for t belonging to 1, 3. Okay, this is open bracket here. 1 is included in the previous interval. The largest possible interval in which G3 lies is. So what is G3? G3 is equal to, from this definition, 0 to 3 ft dt. Now we know that it can be written as 0 to 1 ft dt plus 1 to 3 ft dt. Now for 0 to 1, the interval 0 to 1, if we see here, this interval, ft is between 1 by 3 and 1. So for 0 to 1 ft dt, we say that it is between 1 by 3 and 1. So it will become 1 by 3 after integration. Dt will become t 1 minus 0. This will be 0 to 1 ft dt. And this is 1. So this is the first inequality. Another term here is, this was the first one. Another one is 1 to 3 ft dt. Now 1 to 3 ft dt. So for 1 to 3, what is the interval it is given? It is 0 to half. So 0 dt and half dt. So if we simplify it further, we'll get 1 by 3 ft dt is less than equal to 1 by 2 into 2. That will become 1. And in the lower limit, it will become 0. So this is the second one. Now, if we want to find the greatest interval in which G3 lies, so we add both of them. So therefore, G3 lies between, lowest is 1 by 3 and 0. So we will add them. And upper limit is 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1. So 1 by 3 is less than equal to G3 is less than equal to 2. So 1 by 3 comma 2 is the largest interval which we have. So let us see which option is this. So this is option C. So we can say that C is our answer. So let us cross check it. Yeah. So these were some of the questions which we have discussed in this session. Before exiting from this session, I will have to share one more thing with you. And at the end, we just want to say that we have the option of queries to be resolved. तो अगर आपकी कोई भी क्वेरी है रिगार्डिंग दिस लाइव क्लासेस, कोई भी क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है माइंड में, तो आप इस ईमेल आईडी जो यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है liveclasses@entrance360.com, इस पे मेल कर सकते हो और हम कोशिश करेंगे कि आपकी क्वेरीज को रिसॉल्व करें. सो थैंक यू एवरीवन.